Okay, today's the month of December, the last day of the year, and I got my very first horror block. So we'll get to see what's in it. I already cut the tape. It takes forever to cut it on videoing. This is why I just pop it open. Obviously, I need to look inside. Okay. Do the shirts. Ooh, I love the color red. All the villains of horror. That's so cool. I'm wearing this at work today. That's so sure. Okay. Got a plush. Freddy Krueger. Freddy Krueger is awesome, and I love plush. I'm gonna get you. Let's see what else we got. Walking the Dead keychain. Daryl Dixon. That's awesome. I love keychains. And these little guys are usually pretty good. Also known as little pops. Look at this. Oh yeah. Be adding this to my keychain. And we got a zombie Hulu girl. There's horror, like any of the other nerd blocks. Only subscription. Pretty good. I mean, out of all the blocks, I kind of so far seem to like the horror block, so I'll probably keep the horror. Look at that. Yeah. It's not bad for a zombie. Hello. And let's see. Wow. I got a magazine in here. Rumoga. Magazine of Horror. Cool. Let me get to read. And I think that's it. Just, oh wait, one more print. Cthulhu versus Godzilla. I bet on Godzilla. Yo, burn him. Burn him good. Yes, he will. Hey, the usual earn cash for Nerd Block. Next month in January is Carrie, which I like. And then it's supposed to be, we're also packing in a Possessed exclusive and latest with Gamora. They also show zombies too, but I think they always do zombies. That just seems to be their thing. And then the card that tells you what comes in the box. Exclusive Nightmare on Elm Street, Freddy Krueger plush. The shirt that we saw, the exclusive. AMC. Walking Dead, everything. So cool. Well, that's it. Have a good day. Happy New Year's to everyone.